Welcome to Current Affairs 360. You have got 50 questions and each question carries 1 mark. After the completion of quiz, comment your score in the comment box. Who has been chosen as the Vice President candidate from the NDA side? C.P. Radhakrishnan. When will the Vice President elections be conducted? September 2025. Who appoints the Controller and Auditor General, CAG, of India? President of India. Who won the title of Miss Universe India 2025? Manika Vishwakarma. Where will the 74th Miss Universe Contest 2025 be held? Thailand. The practice of sati was abolished in which year? (1829). What is the name of Russia's upcoming Venus mission? Veneradi. Work on Russia's Veneradi mission will begin in which year? (2026). What is India's upcoming Venus mission called? Shukrayaan-1. Which city introduced AI-powered immigration scanning completing process in 14 seconds? Dubai. Where is Hamad International Airport located? Qatar. Under which scheme is AI being used in Indian airports for facial recognition? Digyatra. According to the Henley Passport Index, which country ranks number 1? Singapore. What is India's latest rank in the Henley Passport Index in 2025? (80th). In which year was UNEP established? (1972). Who is the winner of Cincinnati Open 2025 men's singles? Alcaraz. Cincinnati Open is associated with which sport? Tennis. Carlos Alcaraz belongs to which country? Spain. Iga Swiatek belongs to which country? Poland. World Environment Day is celebrated under which UN program? UNEP. Plastic pollution may rise by 2060 by? Three times. CP Radhakrishnan is currently serving as the governor of which state? Maharashtra. Which airport is considered the most beautiful in the world? Hamad International Airport. Who announced the India bloc's vice president candidate? Mallikarjun Kharge. Justice B. Sudarshan Reddy belongs to which state? Telangana. When will the vice president elections be conducted? September 9th. Which article of the Indian Constitution states that there shall be a vice president of India? Article 63. In which state is the Onta Simria project being opened? Bihar. Where was Miss Universe India 2025 held? Jaipur. India's first all-women clean street food hub was started in which city? Mumbai. Which 45-year-old player got a wild card for US Open 2025? Venus Williams. Koraput Kaljeera rice, GI tag, is grown in which state? Odisha. Teta Hills, where beehive fences stop elephants, is in which country? Kenya. Which IIT worked with Northeast Frontier Railway on eco-friendly plastic alternatives? IIT Guwahati. What was India's WPI inflation in July 2025? -0.58%. Which country asked NASA to end the OCO2 and OCO3 satellites early? United States. Where did the Putin-Trump summit happen in August 2025? Alaska. Which football club was named the world's most valuable in 2025? Real Madrid. The sport, Dhiryo, was banned in 1996 in which state? Goa. ISRO opened a new space lab with Muskaan Foundation in which state? Arunachal Pradesh. Which group released postcards for Shole's 50th anniversary in 2025? Film Federation of India. Who won the 2025 Chennai Grandmasters chess title? Vincent Kiemer. What GST structure has the government recently suggested? Two slab. Where is the first Khelo India Water Sports Festival happening? Srinagar. How long was PM Modi's Independence Day speech in 2025? 103 minutes. In the new FASTag annual pass, how many tolls can you cross? 200. Nineveh, an ancient city, is in which country? Iraq. Where is the headquarters of UNEP located? Nairobi. Who has won the maximum Cincinnati Open titles? Federer. Which edition of Miss Universe will be held in 2025? 74th. Subscribe to our channel for updated current affairs on daily basis.